Hello everyone, welcome to my another vlog. So today we came here Koksar Monastery. Here is a very beautiful cave and also monastery you can see. And Keshala, how are you?
I'm fine.
Do you want to say something?
Yeah, here is very nice and very special.
Yeah.
Say,
This is as you can see the Dharma flag here. Here are the six or something. Very beautiful, and you know this monastery under the cave. It's very unique, very unique. I have never seen like this before. And you can see here the waterfall and this whole mountain covered by snow before, and now already started the summer season, monsoon season, so I can't see the snow now, but you can see a little bit there. You see? 야구도 라기실라. 근데 야구도. 아니 가서 드린데라 코사라 레비에 딜라니 철로 시도 레바이. 네 요즘 메사 할 레베기 요즘 데네도 할 레베티다. 너데 이게 타보와라 곰바 여기 나 테마다 제교래 아데 레로 제라 이게 사마르다 가 기지 레로 거가서 라게 사마레 뭐 대화라 나 싱가 메세 야고도 나 싱가 타베게 시즌 레스 에기도 네 데 you can see the field. Everyone at the Koksar, they have the three village. One is here, another is there, and another is the left side of the river, and they all have the field here this side. And this is the season. Everyone they doing their work in the field, and after some months, then
you can see snow on the trees, so
it is very nice.
Very nice and yeah.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. Are you?
This is a very holy place.
Are you enjoying this view and this place?
Very enjoy it. So
Wow,
nice.
sounds good.
Yeah.
We all are enjoying here. And this way go to the
Yeah, Kambola, how is this?
No Cambodia,
Alabala,
Takwala.
How is here?
Yeah, it's amazing, really stunning view. I can see the stunning
Yeah,
view.
it's
Very
very
beautiful
nice.
view. Then also I'm enjoying the reading text book here.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. Are you
opposite of
first
the
one
mountain.
here? Are you first one here?
Yes, this is my first time.
Oh yeah, it's very nice.
And I'm enjoying so much.
Yeah, it's
And
so
you know
nice.
one thing is here is no network.
Uh-huh.
And, we came yesterday actually.
Okay.
And 2 days no network. I'm
Okay.
enjoying with the nature.
Okay.
I don't scroll. I don't see the mobile. I
Okay.
see only for watch.
Did you visit
for time.
this around? Say,
Sorry.
did you visit?
Yeah, I went this waterfall yesterday
Yeah.
evening after.
How is that?
It's huge waterfall.
Okay.
And very good. And but
Yeah.
it was quite difficult to climb.
Yeah.
It's quite difficult to climb, but you know, I did it finally.
Okay.
Then you and we were there, right?
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. It's very nice. Okay.
Thank you, Geshala, for filming me. Geshala, Ingridda. Geshala, how are you?
Yeah,
How are you?
incredible. How are you?
How is are you enjoying this place and this view, the weather, everything? How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
And are you enjoying?
Yeah, I'm enjoying. The scenery is so nice.
Yeah.
And weather is also so nice.
Yes.
And they are also the people are farming.
Working on field, yeah.
Farming.
Yeah.
And cultivate. What's it? Like
The potatoes,
Yeah, potatoes,
cauliflower, beans, many more. Yeah.
Before, before they are not tunnel.
Yes.
That time, tourists are coming that way.
Yeah, this way, right? It takes maybe 4 or 5 hours, right? Yeah, now it's only half hour. Yeah,
Okay.
the
And
technology.
how about you?
Yeah, me too. I agree that you say.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
also there are people so kind.
Yeah, you are very, very kind.
Of us.
You can see the mothers, some worker here. They all are very, very kind, and they are very good-hearted, warm-hearted people. And the monastery here, and also there is one water. Here is one water which comes from the spring water. Yeah, spring water there comes from ground that occurred many years ago. The one Rinpoche. This monastery, Gyawa Gosangpa, when Gyawa Gosangpa came here first time, he stayed here and he practiced here. That time the place was very small, and after that village, after many years after, they made this monastery very beautiful now, you see. Okay, now we are leaving from here, Koksar. Bye bye.
Thank you. धन्यवाद.
Okay, see you in the next vlog. 제가 김을 다 알아?